Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove HubSpot from Outlook. It's very easy. Once you're logged in to your HubSpot account, it'll be on your dashboard. All you need to do is come here and click on this gear cog to access your settings. So click on this right here and it will redirect me to this page. What we want to do is click on General. And here under General, you'll see Email, okay? Go ahead and click on this second option. Now, if I scroll down here, you'll see I have two email addresses connected. One is my Outlook, one is Gmail. And you can come click on Actions to get a drop down. You can disable this, of course. As you can see, the status right now is enabled, right? So click on Disable and click on Yes, Disable it. It's currently disabled. If you want to completely remove it, click on Actions and then just go ahead and click on Remove. It'll give you this warning message. Just click on Yes, Remove Inbox. So it'll take away HubSpot's access to your inbox, and there you go. We are done. The account has been deleted. And it's really that easy and simple.